This is Jos, he's one of my followers. At just 14 years old, he's already bought his mom a car and makes over 1,000 per session. Hey everyone, I'm Simon. I have over 7 years of experience and a win rate of over 90%. Today you'll witness a gathering of our club members, and Jos will demonstrate live how he makes over 700 in 3 clicks using the strategies and entry points I share in the club. Watch this video till the end and I'll show 2 steps to constantly achieve the same results.
So if you're good at technical analysis, skilled at chart analysis, and can keep your emotions in check, you're bound to make money. Now let me share some of the amazing results that members of my private traders club have demonstrated. One of them is Jos. Hi Jos. Jos reached out to me 4 months ago, eager to join my private traders club, and there's one thing about him that just blew me away. Jos, can you tell everyone how old you are? Pass him the mic, please.
Hi again. I'm actually 14.
Jos, tell us, what sparked your interest in trading?
I've been searching for ways to make money, so I didn't have to ask my mom. I knew about trading, but I thought it was for adults who were programmers or in finance. I thought it was too complicated for me. But then I stumbled upon your YouTube video where you explained trading so clearly. I clicked on the link in the description, thinking, why not give it a shot? It's free. Your private traders club blew me away.
Wow. And what was the most impressive about it?
Well, you have everything needed for trading there. It covers all the theory. You've got strategies, technical analysis of charts, and personal feedback for traders. And it's all broken down step by step and very easy to understand, even for a 14-year-old like me.
Yeah, that was the idea behind the club.
But the best part about it is your free trading signals. All I had to do was copy them. At first, I was skeptical. I thought it couldn't be that easy. So, just to be sure, I started with $3 and turned it into 10. I've been making more every day. It's insane.
Great, Jos. So, could you come up here, please? Jos, could you tell us how much you're making by following the signals of our club?
About $1,000 a week. Yeah, and I spend about 20 minutes of my time doing that.
$1,000. Sounds impressive, not gonna lie.
I know, right? So technically, it's not even me who's trading. It's all you. All I or any of your subscribers have to do is just follow your trading signals. Also, thanks to the technical analysis knowledge you share, I've been able to trade on my own now. I couldn't even dream of this.
You do?
Simon, you've made a big impact on me, on all of us. You've changed our lives. Thank you so much for sharing this valuable information for free.
No. Thank you. You made my day, really. And you mentioned you trade on your own too now, right? So how much have you made without my help?
About $4,000 in the last 2 months.
No way. Amazing. So why don't you show us what you've learned from our club? Want to do a little training session yourself?
Can I? I'd love to, but I'm pretty nervous in front of so many people.
Sure, go ahead.
All right, here goes. First trade. I'm looking at the Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc. I'll invest $200. Let's check out the chart. Yep, looks like there was an attempt to hit a new low during this historical period. So it's a perfect time to invest for growth, hitting higher. And look at that, I made $384. Now, let me explain. Here the bears couldn't break through this price level, and at our entry point, the long red candle fell to hit a new low for the second time. This means a support level is forming and there's likely to be a price increase. Familiar scenario in this market.
You nervous?
Yeah, but I've done this so much with you in a private traders club that even in situations like this, everything goes well. Alright, let's keep going. Moving on to the second pair now, the Australian dollar and the US dollar. This currency seems stable. It's been strong in the market lately. Let's see what's happening right now. Yeah, I can invest $384 with minimal risks. I always like to use indicators when making a call, and right now it's paying off. I'm using RSI here. This market situation is called a bullish divergence. This indicator line is growing in the overbought zone with equal market lows, signaling continued growth. I'm investing for growth. higher. And now I've got $737 in my pocket.
Amazing.
The Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. Let's take a look. Yep, there's a high probability of big market moves here. Remembering your advice, I'm investing less than 50% of my deposit in this one. Here's what I see. RSI is coming in handy again. There was an attempt to break through the mid-range in the market before, and now the price has approached it again with a strong upward trend. The asset is leaving the oversold zone with great potential to reach the overbought zone. Investing for growth, higher. And yep, that's $1,013 in my account.
Bravo.
Simon, honestly, if it weren't for your private traders club, packed with loads of information and easy to understand information, none of this would have happened. So the best thing anyone can do right now is click on the link in the video description.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Jos. How do you usually spend your money?
Well, I help my mom. I come from a very humble family background. My mom is a nurse and I would hardly see her before. But now our lives have changed. Money hasn't only given me financial freedom, it has also given me my mom back.
By the way, thanks for your mom for supporting your trading endeavors. It's truly priceless to have that kind of support from parents.
Also, I have a dream. I would like to get into Harvard.
You'll make it there, of course. I'm sure you've got what it takes. You know, I've been sharing my knowledge and trading signals openly and completely free of charge for a while, but it's individuals like you who are ready to take action, take responsibility, and make things happen. You guys are the future.